Hi there, I am back with the brand growth idea number 36, and that is make your website a client magnet. Yes, we all know that there is an influx of websites on the internet. People are trying to grab attentions and grab traffic through various skills which are paid through content marketing and whatnot. For your website, you have got milliseconds to grab the attention of the visitor. How you can make your website a client magnet? Does it have a hook? When the visitor comes to your website, is there anything that grabs the attention and make them stay and surf for more? Does it appeals in terms of your brand positioning and content? Does it offer an opt-in or gives a giveaway to the visitors so that they know that there is a benefit, a freebie which lies on your website, and in fact for that they opt into your website, give away the database and take the value that your website is offering? Is it offering a solution to your visitor? Why that is important? A lot of websites and brands which I have worked upon, the brands wish to talk about their own story. A brand story is important, but is the visitor coming to your brand to know your story, or they are coming for a solution? That's the right hook which any website should create. You need to work on the hook as a solution provider, as a product offerer, as a manufacturer, or whatever offering you have for the visitors. Create a hook and offer a solution straight away. Talk about the benefit that your brand offers, because that is what your website is for. People are reaching to your website in search of a solution. That should be the right hook. Your website is the hero of your brand promotion activity. The website should convey the benefits straight to the consumer. What you can do to make your website a client magnet: make it engaging. Let the people who come there engage with your brand, with your website through some way or the other. Offer free giveaways. Add value through opt-in messages. Show them the way to the solution so that they find you appealing and approachable enough, and they leave a footprint there asking you for more details. Do not complicate the action. Make sure that there is a call to action on your website, and do not complicate it. When we complicate the call to actions for our visitors, we make it difficult for them. Difficult as in, when you give the visitor 2 to 3 jobs, the chances of them going away from your space are more. So simplify the action and make sure that they reach out to you with the problem for which they are looking for a solution. Always update your website. You should never think that website is a one-time thing. People create website and forget it for years. They live with the thing that okay, it is like a home that you created, but no, you need to update it regularly. Make sure that the content is updated, it is relevant, and people can resonate with it. If you are selling products through your website, ensure that there is ample of offers, variety, and product stories there. Talk about the benefits. Let there be testimonies which can vouch for your business, because when a person is visiting your website, the chances are they are exploring options and opportunities and what you have to offer. So you have to put the testimonies right. You have to simplify the action. You have to make it reasonable and resonating enough to the audience that they feel that you are the person, you are the brand to work with. Make it appealing, keep it simple, update it regularly, optimize it. It is very important to optimize your website as per the Google search rankings or other search engines if your business demands that. Ensure that your major business listings are there if you are in a country where the business listings do matter. Do these things and you will notice that there is an ample traffic on the website, because when people find a portal appealing enough, they try to reach out. So make sure that your website is a client magnet with all the tips that I have just shared with you. And if you seek any more details or a website review for your business website, drop in a message here and our team will get in touch with you. Thank you. Until then, happy branding.